Hello friends, welcome to Pongal Pana YouTube channel. I welcome you all. If you are looking my video in first time, please subscribe and share it and give your valuable comments and press the bell icon to get more notification from my channel. Today we are going to see how to make the banana curry by South Indian traditional style. Let's look the list of the ingredients. Banana I have cut into small pieces like shown in video, and 2 onion, 2 tomato, garlic and curry leaves. In first time you can put groundnut oil in a pan and let it heat for some time. Add the mustard seed, onion, curry leaves and garlics. Let it fry for some time. Keep the flame in low condition. Once the color of the onion turn to the brown color, you can add the finely chopped tomato. Let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes under the medium flame. Now I am going to add the chili powder, around 2 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder, and stir well. After adding the chili powder, once it get taste, you can add the slice of banana. If you like spicy food, you can also add a little more of chili powder. When you get the thick paste of the this gravy you can add the slice of banana. It will be very good for with the rice. You can also prefer the rasam, South Indian food. This it is a very good dish along with the rasam and rice. It is also very healthy food. I'm adding the little amount of the salt. After adding the vegetables into the gravy, you can add the water. In this gravy I'm adding the around 250 ml of water. Let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we can see how the food is cooked. Very easily we can able to prepare this food in our home. You will enjoy while you are eating this food. I am sure about it. Finally we can add the ghee. It will give more taste to this gravy. See how it look like. Now the food is ready. You can eat healthy food and stay strong forever. I am adding the fresh ghee into the gravy so it will give more taste. you will feel while you are eating the food. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel.